Everything you see around you, your phone, your hands, the stars, is made of particles. But what if I told you some of these particles are mysteriously connected to each other, even when separated by light years? That's not magic, that's quantum entanglement, one of the strangest and most powerful ideas in science. सोचो अगर दो छोटी सी पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे से इतने दूर हो जाए कि एक अर्थ पर हो और दूसरा गैलेक्सी के कोने में, फिर भी दोनों एक साथ रिएक्ट करें। ये कोई जादू नहीं है, ये साइंस है और इसे कहते हैं क्वांटम एंटेंगलमेंट। Imagine two particles born together in the same event. Now separate them, one on Earth, the other at the edge of the galaxy. If you change something about one, the other instantly changes too. No signal, no delay, instant reaction. It's as if the universe secretly whispers between them. Einstein refused to believe this. He called it spooky action at a distance, but experiments proved this spooky connection is real. In the book Quantum Enigma, physicist Bruce Rosenblum explains how entanglement forces us to rethink reality itself. It means particles aren't truly separate, they are part of one unified system. यानी कि पार्टिकल्स अलग नहीं हैं, बल्कि एक ही सिस्टम के हिस्से हैं, एक ही रियलिटी के दो एंड्स। Reality, it turns out, isn't as independent as we thought. Einstein hated this idea because it broke one of physics' biggest rules: nothing can travel faster than light. But his rival, Niels Bohr, argued that quantum mechanics doesn't send information faster. It just shows that both particles are part of one single system, no matter how far they appear. बोर ने कहा, लाइट से तेज कुछ नहीं जाता, लेकिन यहाँ कुछ जा नहीं रहा, सब एक ही सिस्टम का हिस्सा है। समझो जैसे एक कॉइन के दो साइड्स, डिस्टेंस से फर्क नहीं पड़ता। In 2015, scientists finally closed what was known as the loophole in entanglement tests. They entangled electrons, separated them by long distances, and found that when one was measured, the other instantly changed. मतलब साइंस ने कंफर्म कर दिया ये कनेक्शन सच है और आइंस्टाइन का स्पूकी अब सिर्फ एक जोक नहीं, एक रियलिटी बन गया। So why does this matter? Because entanglement is not just weird, it's the foundation of our technological future. Quantum computers use entangled qubits to do millions of calculations at once. Instead of just 0 or 1, these qubits can exist in both at the same time because of entanglement. सोच के देखो, एक ही टाइम में 0 भी और 1 भी। इसी वजह से क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर से हजारों गुना फास्ट है। And then there's quantum cryptography, using entangled particles for communication that can never be hacked. If anyone tries to intercept, the entanglement breaks, instantly revealing the intrusion. यानी फ्यूचर में हैकिंग इम्पॉसिबल हो सकती है, क्योंकि क्वांटम वर्ल्ड में सीक्रेट्स रखना ऑलमोस्ट डिवाइन पावर बन जाएगी। But here's why it gets really fascinating. Entanglement isn't just about particles. It tells us something deep about life. Everything at the deepest level is connected. Your actions, your thoughts, your energy, they ripple through this invisible web. जैसे क्वांटम पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं, वैसे ही हम सब एक बड़े सिस्टम का पार्ट है। हर सोच, हर अमल कहीं ना कहीं किसी और तक जरूर पहुंचता है। Maybe that's why sometimes when you think of someone, they suddenly call you. Maybe it's not coincidence, maybe it's entanglement of consciousness. In The Fabric of Reality, physicist David Deutsch says reality itself is made of information, and entanglement is how that information travels. मतलब पूरी कायनात एक इंफॉर्मेशन नेटवर्क है और हम सब उसके नोड्स हैं। कॉन्शियसनेस, क्रिएटिविटी, इवन इंट्यूशन सब इसी नेटवर्क के सिग्नल्स हो सकते हैं। Quantum entanglement reminds us we are not separate. The same energy that connects two particles also connects every living being, every thought, every possibility. हम सब एक ही फैब्रिक का पार्ट है, एक ही यूनिवर्स के थ्रेड्स. जितना ज़्यादा हम इसको समझेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हम इवॉल्व करेंगे within. If this video expanded your mind, hit like, share and subscribe. And remember, learning is the real evolution. सीखना ही असली तरक्की है. So keep questioning, keep exploring and keep evolving within. Thank you.